IBASE Technology has 2 manufacturing sites. The Sanchung factory carries out the complete process of board production and system assembly. The 2 factories are both ISO certified. The Sanchung factory, however, has also achieved ISO 14000 certification. For products to meet UL or safety certification requirements, every detail has to be taken care of at the very beginning. After the factory confirms the quantity of the items and receives them, the IQC department takes over to implement gross analysis and specification confirmation. Motherboard production must have excellent production facilities, but more importantly, it requires effective inspection tools and procedures, including solder paste thickness measurement, 2.5D X-ray scan, 3D scope for solder ball inspection, and 100% AOI inspection. After lead component insertion, all boards are subjected to 100% solder side inspection and electronic magnifier and voltage measurements. Relative to testing with ICT fixture, IBASE implements a 100% full function testing on every single board. Each batch of motherboards or systems is subjected to random sampling for cross-verification of temperature and humidity, as well as vibration verification. To achieve high-quality production, particularly in the assembly of panel PCs, IBASE is equipped with 2 Class 10,000 cleanrooms and formulated a strict in and out standard. Procedures requiring a controlled level of contamination can be done in the 2 cleanrooms, such as protective film application. Dust control precautions are also taken during the final assembly. Dust-proof curtains are used, as well as a special auto-grade spray solution to guard against dust. To conform to safety standards, all systems must undergo high pot testing, ensuring that the leakage current is in limits. The minimum 4 hours of 100% burn-in test can detect early failures in the factory and ensure the durability and reliability of the systems. To satisfy the demands of individual clients, IBASE can also add designated software to the high-temperature burn-in process. Right after each system passes through the burn-in test, it goes through full function testing to ensure proper operation of all functions at high temperature in long periods of time. In the final inspection process, all fully tested products are subjected to a final inspection before product packing, applying AQL standard. After this inspection, and during the packing stage, the last OQC is carried out, and then products are stored, waiting for delivery. Teamwork, sharing, innovation, efficiency, service. These are the corporate cornerstones of IBASE. With this in mind, the team commits itself to persistently provide customers with products and services of the highest quality and competitiveness and achieve a win-win solution.